welcome back to another video. Now today is going to be kind of like a different video. It's going to be a vlogging video, and today it's going to be about my bird Larry. Now he is I forgot what kind of bird he is, but so he is a cockatiel, and we really don't know how old he is, and we made up his own birthday, February 2nd. And yeah, our bird Larry is really, really cute. He looks really tall in his cage, but then when he's on the ground, he is tiny. Oh no! Okay, there's Larry. Larry, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, I think he's saying hi. Yeah, he's saying hi. Okay, so okay, Larry. Oh no! He tends to do that. When I pet him, he just starts to bite me. Okay, Larry. Ow. Oh. Hey guys, he is hanging on to my chest. You cannot really see him. No. Don't try to eat my little head, my earphones. Okay, so Larry, hello, say hello. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna end this video here. That was my bird Larry, and say bye, Larry. Larry. Larry, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Larry, say chirp. Okay, he said bye. Okay, so that's gonna be our video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like the video if you like this video, and subscribe if you feel like you want to. This is the first video that you've seen by me, then subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.